Hi friends! Welcome to our fascinating exploration of bioluminescent creatures. Today, we will dive into the world of these glowing marvels. One of the most mesmerizing phenomena found in this dark, underwater realm is bioluminescence, the ability of certain creatures to produce their own light. Join us as we illuminate the mysteries of the deep sea and discover the incredible ways life adapts and flourishes in the dark. Are you excited? Let's go! First is the vampire squid. Instead of squirting ink like many other cephalopods, the vampire squid releases a cloud of bioluminescent mucus containing glowing particles to confuse and deter predators. This creature has large eyes relative to its body size, allowing it to see in the dim light of the deep sea. It also has special light-producing organs called photophores that can create disorienting flashes to evade predators. Found in the dark depths of the ocean, anglerfish are adept predators with large mouths and sharp teeth. Their ability to swallow prey up to twice their own size, combined with their eerie bioluminescent lure, makes them one of the most intriguing and formidable hunters of the deep sea. Despite their small size, lanternfish are one of the most abundant deep-sea fish and play a crucial role in the ocean's food web. Lanternfish have light-producing organs called photophores along their bodies, which they use for a method of camouflage known as counter-illumination. The Firefly Squid is famous for its stunning bioluminescent displays. Each of its tiny photophores emits a bright blue light, creating mesmerizing patterns in the dark ocean waters. It uses its light to communicate with other squids, helping them coordinate movements and mating. The deep-sea dragonfish has a bioluminescent barbel that hangs from its lower jaw. This glowing lure can be wiggled to attract prey, mimicking the movements of smaller organisms. Once the prey is close enough, the dragonfish quickly snaps it up with its sharp teeth. Unlike other creatures, they can produce red light. This unique adaptation allows it to see red wavelengths that are invisible to most other deep-sea animals. The Cookiecutter Shark is known for its distinctive feeding method. It uses its sharp, circular teeth to take cookie-shaped bites out of larger animals, including whales, dolphins, and even submarines. This technique leaves characteristic round wounds on its prey, which gave the shark its name. The underside of the Cookiecutter Shark glows with bioluminescence, helping it blend in with the faint light from the ocean surface when viewed from below. The crystal jellyfish, Equoria victoria, is famous for being the source of green fluorescent protein, GFP, a molecule that glows green under blue and ultraviolet light. GFP has become a crucial tool in molecular and cellular biology, allowing scientists to track gene expression and protein localization in living organisms. It can produce stunning bioluminescent displays thanks to the presence of photoproteins called aquarin. Flashlight fish have special light-producing organs called photophores located just below their eyes. These photophores are filled with bioluminescent bacteria, which emit light in a symbiotic relationship. The fish can control the light by covering and uncovering these organs with a black membrane, using the light to communicate, attract prey, and navigate in the dark. They are nocturnal and use their bioluminescent organs to navigate through the dark waters of coral reefs at night. The Atolla Jellyfish, also known as the crown jellyfish, has a striking appearance with a deep red, bell-shaped body and long, trailing tentacles. It has a unique defense mechanism known as the burglar alarm response. When threatened by a predator, it emits bright, pulsating bioluminescent flashes. These flashes are thought to attract even larger predators to the scene, potentially scaring off the initial threat or causing it to become prey itself. One of the distinctive features of the glowing sucker octopus is its bioluminescent tentacles. These tentacles are covered in photophores, which emit a soft blue-green light. This bioluminescence likely helps the octopus attract prey or communicate with others in the dark ocean depths. Siphonophores are not single organisms but rather colonial animals composed of specialized individual units called zooids. Each zooid performs a specific function, such as feeding, reproduction, or defense. Together, they form a long, drifting chain or colony, with some species growing to impressive lengths of over 40 meters, 130 feet. The light patterns created by siphonophores in the deep sea can be quite mesmerizing and are a subject of scientific fascination. Bobtail squids have a unique relationship with bioluminescent bacteria, Vibrio fischeri. These bacteria live in a special light organ within the squid's mantle cavity. Unlike many other squid species, bobtail squids lack an ink sac. Instead, they rely on their small size, excellent camouflage abilities, enhanced by bioluminescence, and swift movements to avoid predators. This adaptation allows them to remain relatively inconspicuous in their coastal and shallow water habitats. Sea pens are colonial animals composed of polyps that are interconnected by a fleshy stalk called the rachis. Each polyp has a specific role within the colony, such as feeding, reproduction, or defense. Some colonies can consist of hundreds to thousands of individual polyps. It is believed that sea pens use bioluminescence for defense, communication, and possibly attracting prey or mates in the dark depths of the ocean. The green bomber worm earned its name due to its unique defense mechanism. When threatened, it can release glowing green bioluminescent bombs from its body. These bombs contain bioluminescent chemicals that emit light, potentially confusing or deterring predators in the dark depths where it lives. This worm is adapted to life in the deep sea, where it navigates using its long, hair-like appendages called chetae. These appendages are sensitive to touch and help the worm move through the water. Some species of comb jellies are capable of bioluminescence, emitting flashes of light from rows of cilia called combs. These flashes can create a mesmerizing display, especially in the dark depths of the ocean. They have remarkable regenerative capabilities. They can regenerate their entire body from small fragments, which allows them to recover from injuries or predation attempts. And last but definitely not the least is the bioluminescent shrimp. They use their ability to emit light for camouflage or defensive purposes. By matching the intensity and color of the ambient light, they can make themselves less visible to predators lurking in the dark ocean depths. Additionally, sudden bursts of bioluminescence can startle or confuse predators, giving the shrimp an opportunity to escape. Wow! We dive into the depths of the ocean as we explore the fascinating world of creatures that glow in the dark. And now, let us test your knowledge on these luminous marvels and discover their secrets of survival in the darkest corners of the sea. Are you ready to illuminate your understanding of bioluminescence? Let's begin. Which deep-sea creature uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey? Correct. It's the anglerfish. Anglerfish is most famous for the bioluminescent lure that protrudes from its head, known as the elysium. Next, what do you call the unique substance that the vampire squid release to deter predators? Good job, it's the bioluminescent mucus. Vampire squid uses bioluminescent mucus as a unique defense mechanism. When threatened by predators in the deep sea, it expels a cloud of glowing mucus containing bioluminescent particles to confuse and distract predators. Which small deep-sea fish has light-emitting organs called photophores along its body? choice. It's the lanternfish. Lanternfish have light-producing organs called photophores along their bodies, which they use for a method of camouflage known as counter-illumination to make themselves nearly invisible to predators lurking below. How about this one? Which of these creatures uses bioluminescence to create a shimmering, rainbow-like effect? You're right. It's the comb jelly. Comb jellies have rows of cilia, cones, that diffract light as they move through the water. These cones refract light in different directions, creating a mesmerizing display of iridescent, rainbow-like colors. Which creature has a bioluminescent tentacles that are covered in photophores and emit a soft blue-green light? Awesome! It's the glowing sucker octopus. One of the distinctive features of the glowing sucker octopus is its bioluminescent tentacles. These tentacles are covered in photophores, which emit a soft blue-green light. This bioluminescence likely helps the octopus attract prey or communicate with others in the dark ocean depths. And lastly, what do you call the creatures that are colonial, composed of polyps that are interconnected by a fleshy stalk called the rachis? Perfect! It's the sea pens. Sea pens are colonial animals composed of polyps that are interconnected by a fleshy stalk called the rachis. Each polyp has a specific role within the colony, such as feeding, reproduction, or defense. Thank you for diving into the enchanting world of bioluminescent creatures with us. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these luminous marvels of nature. Keep shining bright with curiosity and continue to explore the wonders that await in our ocean's depths. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering. Subscribe to my channel for more captivating insights into the natural world. Join our community of curious minds exploring the wonders of science and nature together. Hit the subscribe button and don't miss out on discovering more about the fascinating world around us. See you next time, friends. Bye.